Welcome to SV Union High School and Junior College Pune. Subject Information Technology, Standard 12th Science. Video created and presented by Mr. Nitin Vadgure. Today we are going to start part 4 of chapter 3, Advanced JavaScript. Students, in our last part we have seen the objects in JavaScript, the meaning of object, examples of object. We have discussed about one object, car object, having the properties name, model, weight, color, and methods start, drive, brake, stop. We have also seen the DOM, document object model, role of the DOM, concept of W3C. The standardization of DOM was founded by W3C. Long form of W3C is World Wide Web Consortium. Also, we have seen the hierarchy of document object model, where window is a parent object of all the other objects. Also, we have discussed about the properties of document object: head, title, URL, body, img. Methods of document object: write method, write ln method, get element by id method. Also, we have seen the inner HTML property with the meaning and example. Now we are going to see the window object. At the very top of object hierarchy is the window object. Window object is parent object of all the other objects. It represents an open window in a browser. An object of window is created automatically by the browser. Window object represents an open window in a browser. An object of window is created automatically by the browser. So, window is a parent object of all the other objects. Let's see the properties of window object. First property is name property. It sets or returns the name of a window. Next is location property. Location property returns the location object for the window. Third property is document. It returns the document object for the window. Next is status property. It sets or returns the text in the status bar of a window. And last property is closed property, which returns a boolean value indicating whether a window has been closed or not. So these are some important properties of window object. Let's see the methods of window object. First method is alert method. Alert method displays the alert box containing message with OK button. Next function is confirm function, which displays the confirm dialog box containing message with OK and cancel button. Third method is prompt, which displays a dialog box to get input from the user. Next method is open method. Open method opens the new window. Next method is close method, which closes the window, which closes the current window. Next is blur function. Blur function removes focus from the current window. Next is focus method. Focus method sets the focus to the current window. Means blur method and focus method are opposite to each other. Next method is print method. It prints the contents of current window. And last method is set timeout method, where it is capital. Set timeout calls a function or evaluates an expression after a specified number of milliseconds. Students, please note 1000 milliseconds means our 1 second. Students, let's see one example related to window object. First we will see the body part. Body tag, form, mention the form tag. In next line, input type equal to button, value equal to create new window, use one event on click, call the method make new window, close form, close body and close HTML. In head section script tag, mention the make new window function. In the upper part, type doc type HTML head, title, window opener and closer, close title, open script tag, script type equal to text oblique JavaScript. In next line, define the function by using function keyword. Function, what is the function name? Function name is make new window, open curly braces. Define one variable new win by using var keyword. Var new win equal to window dot open function semicolon. In next line, write new win dot document dot write open parenthesis in double quote, write this is new window within h1 and close h1 tag. In next line, write new win dot document dot body dot style dot background color equal to sky blue, close parenthesis, close script tag, close head tag. Save the program and run on the browser. You will get this output where there is one button having the caption create a new window. When you click this button, you will get this output. The output shows the background color sky blue and there is one heading, this is new window. So in this example we have seen the role of open method. Open method opens a new window. Let's see another example related to window object. Let's see, first discuss about body section. Write body tag style equal to background dash color can. Next line, h1 align equal to center. Click button and wait for message, close h1. Define one button. Input type equal to button, value equal to timeout function. Use one event, on click event. On click equal to sample function. Here the name of the function is sample function. Close body and close HTML. Here is a starting of a program. Doc type HTML, open head tag. Next line, script type equal to text JavaScript. Next line, define function by using function keyword. Function, name of the function sample function, open curly braces, window dot set timeout, open parenthesis, first argument is next function, comma, second argument is 4000 millisecond, semicolon, close curly braces. In next line, define the next function by using function keyword. Function, next function, open curly braces, write one message box, alert, open parenthesis having the message 4 seconds have passed, double quote complete, close parenthesis, close curly braces, close script tag, close head tag. Here we are using set timeout function of window object having the two arguments, next function and 4000 millisecond. So after the 4000 millisecond means 4 seconds, you will get a new message. 4 seconds have passed. Let's save the program, execute on the browser and see the output. Browser shows the first screen having the message, click button and wait for message, and there is one button having the caption timeout function. When you click this button, you will get this output. Click button and wait for message, one button, and one alert message, 4 seconds have passed. So this is one of the example of set timeout method of window object. Let's see another example of window object. This example contains 2 buttons having the caption new window, and second button caption is close window. In upper section, define function, open window function, my window equal to window.open, my window.document.write. This is my new window, means when new window will open, it will display this is my new window message. Then second function, close window, having the code my window.close, means this code, when this code is executed, it will close the open window. Save the program, run on the browser and see the output. You will get this output. The output contains 2 buttons. When you press on the first button, it will show this message, this is my new window, means this new window will open. And when you click on second button, the current window will close. So students, in this part we have seen the window object, the meaning of window object, the properties of window object, the methods of window object, and some examples related to methods of window object. In our next part, we will discuss about JavaScript event, input and other object events like on blur, on focus, on change, on select, on submit, on reset, on load and on unload. Also we will discuss about JavaScript built-in object like string, match, array, date, etc. Property of string object, methods of string object, example of string object, match object, methods of match object. We will continue in the next video. Thank you. Thank you.